Hello JBC, here we have two DDE-1Cs. The one I'm showing right now was received about a week ago, or maybe a little less. Now, the one I'm going to show you is the one with bodged capacitor, solder splatter, and the replacement for the one that had the downgraded MCU and stripped out features. You ready? Look at that. Did you see the difference in the display there? Let's go back to the other one real quick. See how it's nice and crisp background? Gray. See how that one's all washed out? These have the same firmware. Everything. They're received within 3 weeks of each other. Now, does anybody else see a problem here? How annoying this is? You know, these are supposed to be premium products, so you're paying for, something that is supposed to be perfect in every way. I mean, if you get 10 of these things, you should be able to stack them up and the displays should be all the same. But they want to ignore the issue, ignore me, make appointments and miss them, and not cancel the appointment ahead of time, or when they message back, not give a rescheduled date or time. Just make you hang out and wait. That's the type of customer service you get for a premium product also.